teach you how equip your audio system and speaker with the USB memory, TF memory, FM radio, and Bluetooth. We will test this device and speaker at the end of this video, so stay with us until the end of the video. Okay friends, for example, we have a speaker home here with the audio input, just AUX plug input. Here we are using Digital MP3 player Bluetooth device. You can see USB SD digital player Bluetooth. You can see Bluetooth player. Here this device have a USB flash memory input and have a memory TF here input, AUX stereo input, and here digital display and remote control, and radio FM, and you can see here audio output, radio antenna, power on and off, and power supply 12 volt. This is a player device, is very useful. You can also use the MP3 player module decoder, which we have already included in the training video channel. The use of this device is very simple and does not require difficult installation and setup. Okay, let's go to test and connect this device to the home speaker. To connect this device to the speaker, if your speaker has an AUX plug, use AUX cable like this. Audio out from device, digital player Bluetooth, to AUX input speaker stereo system. But if your speaker or your stereo system is input is 2 plug AV RCA, you can use this cable. Okay, let's go to turn it on digital player. For power supply, you need 12 volt AC/DC adapter. I have here 12 volt 2 ampere AC/DC adapter and adapter plug. Put here 12 volt DC power supply. That's good. And you should turn it on here. Turn it on device. Okay, now need to turn it back speaker for you see. Okay, I try turn it on my speaker. Okay, now we can test speaker and video MP3 digital player. Mood key here, volume, scan for radio FM and volume, AUX input, TF, USB memory. You can change mood here, radio FM, Bluetooth, AUX, line in mode, and USB flash memory. I try play music by USB flash memory.
Music mode.
can see here, use remote control for pause and play. I can change music next. Okay, that's good. Okay, the automatic change mode AUX. I try play music by my cell phone and AUX cable. Okay, my friends, let's go to test Bluetooth. Change mode Bluetooth AUX to Bluetooth. You can change here by this key or
Bluetooth mode.
Use this remote control key. Turn it on. Bluetooth receiver. I try connect Bluetooth.
Here.
You can see here. Let's go to test Bluetooth. You can see here BT means Bluetooth, and I try play music from my cell phone. I change music. Thank you, my friends. Please subscribe and like New Tech Pro channel.